6 feet of beach is missing under this house after Hurricane Nicole. In this video, I'm going to show you what the house looked like a couple of months ago prior to Hurricane Nicole, both inside and out, and I'm going to show you where the bottom floor went, where all of the sand went, and where the air conditioners as well as all of the stuff that was in the garage ended up. These are pictures from a very recent MLS listing. The house was just sold a couple months ago. So presumably these pictures were taken just prior to Hurricane Nicole and Ian. And you can see there's a bottom floor, there's vegetation, there's a dune. Ian took out some of this, but the sand was still level with these concrete foundations on the piers after Hurricane Ian. So what you see here is all sand that's been removed just from Nicole. And at the front of this house, I'm 6'2", and when I stand up to these, they are slightly above my head. So that means that Hurricane Nicole took out at least 6 feet of sand. After Hurricane Ian, there was also a garage here. There was stuff in the garage. There was air conditioners. There was all of the stuff you would have on a ground floor of a typical house. Now, later in the video, I will show you where that stuff ended up. As you can see here, I'm out here at low tide. The first clip that I played earlier was during high tide, and you can see there's nothing separating this house from the ocean, and at high tide, the ocean is underneath this house, which is very sad for whoever bought this house about a month ago. Here are a couple of quick Google Map pictures. Now, here is the boat dock at that listing a month ago. Here is the boat dock now. So here's where all the sand went. There's the air conditioner. And you can see there's all sorts of other debris, parts of the back patio, personal belongings, and all sorts of other things have been washed into the wetlands behind the houses. And this is a really big problem out here. The government really needs to do something. There is a huge amount of stuff contaminating the ocean and contaminating the wetlands. It doesn't seem like any action is being taken. Here we see it again at high tide. This is what the house looks like after Hurricane Nicole. There's waves crashing through underneath the house, when not that long ago there was a sand road in front, there were dunes in front, there was vegetation all around this house, and a few days ago there was a bottom floor with a garage that was full of stuff, and it was a functioning house. Well, anyway, let's take a look at the inside. It was a vacation rental that was recently sold. I don't really know exactly what happened with the sale or who bought it, but it's definitely a very unfortunate situation because I really don't see how they could possibly save this property. Thanks very much for watching. Please follow, like, and share.